Odoo POS may be managed both offline and online. There is less risk of data loss if you lose your connection because the system will synchronize the data when it returns online. So let's see what is rescue session in point of sale. So first of all, we want to open point of sale module. When you check the session history from the orders menu, you can see in progress and closed sessions. So I just open one session and create an order. But here I close my internet connection, then create an order. Okay, I create an order and try to proceed with payment while I'm in offline. So here Odoo will show a pop-up message like this. As we create more order when we are offline, we could see the number of offline orders increasing near the network icon. So here you can see the number is increasing near the network icon. These orders will be not seen in the orders history, but once the network is back on, these records can be seen in the orders history. So select orders under the orders menu, then you can see the orders will not be here. So I just back online, then you can see the records here. So this means Odoo will synchronize the data when the connection is returned back. You can select the synchronization symbol after the system has restored the internet connection. Odoo will build a post rescue session for the session that was previously closed. So here you can see the rescue session. The backend allow you to view the history of sessions. The new sessions with the new session ID that the rescue session is displayed as in the screen. It means to prevent the session from data erosion, the Odoo point of sale uses the rescue session to help construct an alternative rescue session to the unintentionally closed session. This is rescue session in Odoo point of sale. Thank you.